Ahí está.
Okay, cuidado.
This is another episode, the final episode. And then we're gonna be going that street when I used to live. And remember, you guys?
You used to live in that street? In this
Yeah,
street?
remember? And Mario and his brother and the others, and that's the street, and that's our.
Ah, okay.
And that's what our house before. We're gonna show you what was our house before, but before. Now people live there now that we moved and stuff like that. And we're going up so high. And again, this is so going. Okay, you guys, look how adorable this is. Look how adorable it is to take a picture right now, right? No, but that time it's so brown. That means the dog pooped it.
And again?
And again, this video is going on YouTube. And we're close to the house we used to live. And you guys, look at that. Looks more amazing. Okay, when snow was in the roof, looks like it's just a color of the roof, like that one, look. But it's really just snow. Okay, we're close here. Only like 4 houses more to go.
Cuidado. Andrés, hasta la derecha.
And again,
A la-
you're so going YouTube. And look in the top of the car. Looks like something's in there. But guess what? Nothing. And again, we're still going YouTube. And now as you can see, guys, there's the park. We were just in part 2, right? And
Part 2.
now we're gonna. And look at that. Snow very easily. And they're also causing the brown snow. And again, if you're still going YouTube, have you seen Ninja Turtles? I think that's a fake because I never saw Ninja Turtles, but I did see and maybe they are real. And that's what they come. And anyway, and we're heading there. And anyway, you can see we're right close, and I used to remember the good days I walked from there when there was snow. Remember?
Yes, I
The
remember.
good days. The good days.
Yes, Mario.
And also, then the brown snow. See, the brown snow is where it's the way we live. That means, also when people are driving that, they can also turn, when they go on snow, they turn the brown snow. Did you know that? I didn't know that. Which I already do. And that's our house. Look at that, the white one. That's our house. And gosh, that's the house. Remember when you see 309? That's our house.
here, there was a car.
The streets are like super cold. Sometimes they can die, but the good thing is that the cats have their owners, and that's why dude is just catch cats. That's what I mean. Yeah, that's what. And look at that house. And now we're gonna take a quick roll. Job when I go, right? Yeah, that's a job where I go. I'm so excited. And everything on the phone. Number 5 school because school stands for the park and all the things in the park.
Vení aquí, vení.
And also.
Vení, vení. Oye, se trabó el carro, mira.
Yeah,
mira.
Look.
Ah.
Look at that.
Se atoró.
And look at that one too. They carry this dog. So.
Vamos a ver ese que viene, mira. Ese que viene está limpiando. ¿Ves?
Look,
¿Ves? Mira.
And again, he is so on YouTube. And who needs that jump for dog?
Huh?
Who needs that jump? Anyway, look at that tree over there. It's so beautiful. Every tree looks beautiful. That's what I think. Even flowers can be beautiful when the snow.
Remember, that was the house that got fire?
Yeah, that was the house.
Which one? That one or this one?
That was the one.
That.
Yeah, that's the one with the gold fire.
That got fire.
They just built that there. And as you can see, maybe there's a ghost there or something. Anyway.
¿Qué están haciendo aquellos? What are they doing?
Look how it looks, so giant. And look.
Uy, te fijas, te vas a tener que amarrar ese cordón. Vamos allá. Vamos a la escuela 5. Vamos a ver cómo está para que la mire.
Look at it. Some teachers are cleaning it. Look. And this might take a while to this look on YouTube because it's a little long. And look, right now where I'm walking, it's walking on land. Not look at that. The one is pulling. See? Pulling me. And I think that's a teacher over there for me.
Is it teacher?
Yeah.
Hi, ¿cómo estamos?
Look at that car. People can most only drive because they can see the snow. That's the reason they want to be. Look at that.
Sí, es de lo que viene, si pareciera, pero... No, es de lo que está viniendo del otro lado, mira.
Look at that.
Ponete en el centro de la
Look at
escuela.
that.
Ponete en el centro de la escuela. No, de allá está viniendo del techo. Va a ponerte en el centro de la escuela para que le vean a la profesora que ya anduviste. A ver, Andrés. Aquí nomás. Aquí nomás, vení.
Let's go, guys. Okay. We're gonna be heading home now.
Ahora vámonos a casa.
We're gonna be heading home. Sorry if you like it too much, but
Okay.
maybe